Layer masks are one of the most basic and important things you can learn in Photoshop. Basically, what is a layer mask? It's a way to make a layer either visible or invisible. You can make it black to make it invisible or paint in white to make it visible. And you can use this with regular layers, with adjustment layers. They are a non-destructive way to make part of your image appear or disappear. On this example, we're going to change the sky of our lighthouse image to this sky. So let's get started. With my new sky layer selected, we're going here on the layers panel at the bottom and we have here a layer mask icon. Hit that to add a layer mask and it will appear right to our sky layer. And to see what a layer mask does, like I've said, if we paint black it will disappear, and if I paint in white, again it will appear. I am going to hit Command I so that the layer mask is black and the content is hidden. And then I will hit B to have my brush tool and start painting on the image in the parts I want to make it visible. I am going to time-lapse this part so that you don't need to see me select all of it and go to the final result. And just like that, I've painted all the sky field where I want to make it visible, the new sky I've pasted. And if I hit Alt or Option on the mask, you can see I have this kind of messy looking mask here, which I can clean up a little bit more if I want to refine the details. You can notice that I am not erasing the original sky, so if I switch to black and start painting here, we will see our original image. Okay, so I can paint it again in white to make it my new sky visible. So that's it for this one about using layer masks quickly and simple. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to not miss any other tutorials.